Want to open a US bank account online in just 5 minutes? Let's run the full process in 1 minute. You need 3 things: a government ID, your SSN or ITIN, and proof of address like a utility bill or lease. Most banks and fintechs in 2026 require an ID photo, plus a live selfie for quick identity verification. Time breakdown. Choose account 30 seconds. Personal details 90 seconds. ID check 90 seconds. Funding 30 seconds, about 5 minutes. Prepare files now. A clear photo of your ID, a selfie, your SSN or ITIN number, and a scanned address proof. Got everything? Open the bank app or website and follow the on-screen steps. We'll walk through the exact flow now. Step 1. Choose checking or savings and tap Open Account. This step typically takes about 30 seconds. Step 2. Enter your full name, date of birth, contact details, and mailing address. Expect about 90 seconds here. Step 3. Verify identity by uploading your ID and taking a live selfie. Identity checks usually finish in around 90 seconds. Step 4. Enter your SSN or ITIN and electronically accept consent and tax disclosures. This takes under a minute. Step 5. Fund the account by linking an external bank or using a debit card. Linking is about 30 seconds. Transfers may vary. You're done. Expect confirmation and digital card details instantly. Ready to start? Apply now and have your ID, SSN, or ITIN and address proof ready.